AI is massive. Machine learning, deep learning, LLMs, generative AI, transformers, APIs, and deployment, and whatnot. It is overwhelming. Most students manage to learn the skills but get stuck at the real question: what projects should I build to actually showcase all these skills on my resume? If that is you, this video is for you. Because I'm going to share 5 projects that together cover the entire AI curriculum and make your resume look like a real AI engineer's journey. Hi, I'm Akash Gupta, and on this channel, we make AI practical, intuitive, and industry ready. So, if I talk about the first project you can build, is the predictive analytics dashboard, which includes regression plus data analysis plus visualization. We can start like this: that take a real world data set like retail sales or student performance, do proper data cleaning, feature engineering, and build multiple ML models like linear regression, XGBoost, then visualize the results interactively. The tech stack for this project could be Python, Pandas, Scikit-learn, and Matplotlib or Seaborn. For the front-end dashboard, you can use Streamlit, and for the deployment, you can deploy it using Streamlit Cloud. This helps you focus on the data and models while getting your first web interface live in minutes. So this project shows your fundamentals like statistics, machine learning logic, and data storytelling. If you move to the second project, that could be the deep learning and computer vision. The project could be image classification or object detection system. In this, you can build an image classifier or detector for something real, say plant disease detection or face mask detection. The tech stack for this could be, you can use TensorFlow or PyTorch. You can use any one of them right now. CNN architectures, OpenCV library for pre-processing of images. And again, the deployment, the must for any project, you can use Streamlit or Gradio for early deployment. You can upload an image and get prediction instantly. Like, and you can then you can wrap it up using FastAPI or Flask API backend also later. This shows you understand CNN's feature extraction and complete deep learning workflow. The third project could be NLP and text intelligence. It could be AI powered resume screener or sentiment analyzer. Now, in this, you can build a tool that takes resumes or text and analyze them. You can use TF-IDF or and transformer models like BERT. The tech stack for this could be NLP libraries like NLTK, Spacey, and Hugging Face. Or you can use logistic regression or transformer models for the modeling of the data set. And for the deployment, you can use FastAPI, or you can again use Streamlit and then migrate to FastAPI plus render for the deployment. Okay, now here recruiters will see the NLP based apps, which is very easy to relate to your resume and skills. Next could be the domain specific chatbot or generative assistant. So this fourth project, it can make your profile stand out. In this, you can pick any domain like finance, healthcare, or education and build a chatbot that answers the domain specific queries. For this, the tech stack could be LangChain and Hugging Face, a little bit advanced. Fine tune or prompt tune an open source LLM. And for backend, you can now use FastAPI. And for the memory and databases, you can use ChromaDB or FAISS, FAISS. The deployment for this, it could be you can host the API on Render or Railway and connect it to a simple Streamlit or React frontend. It demonstrates you can handle modern AI pipelines, APIs, and vector databases, and this screams industry readiness. The fifth project can be a little bit advanced, which is end-to-end AI system development. It could be AI automation assistant or cognitive research or search system. This is your master project where everything comes together, and you can build it something like an AI task assistant that reads Gmail or Slack messages, classifies them, and create reminders, or a cognitive search system that lets user upload PDFs or Excel files and query them with natural language. For this, the tech stack could be FastAPI backend. Now, at this stage, for the backend, you have to use FastAPI, LangChain for reasoning, and FAISS and or Chroma for embeddings. Front end, you can use you can do it using Streamlit or lightweight React or HTML or CSS also you can use. For deployment, you can use Render or AWS if you are comfortable at this stage. This shows end-to-end ability from model design to deployment to user interaction. Now, let us talk about a quick and an important note that is about deployment. If you are just starting out, it is okay to use Streamlit for your first two projects. It is a beginner friendly and it takes care of UI plus backend and gets your work online fast. But as you move to later projects, learn a backend framework like FastAPI or Flask. They are industry standards and give you more control over the routes, APIs, and scaling. And finally, you can host your APIs on Render or Railway. And if you already know AWS, it is fine. But for the beginner projects, you can always use Render and Railway. Now, if you want, I can make a separate video soon on beginner-friendly deployment tools for AI projects, so you will know exactly how to take your projects one step ahead. So, if you build these 5 projects, you can cover machine learning, deep learning, NLP, Gen AI plus LLMs, and backend plus deployment. This covers more than 90% of AI basic curriculum, that is literally the complete AI curriculum in project form. It will show that you don't just study AI, you build and deliver it. So if you found this video helpful, you can subscribe Concepts of AI for more practical AI career guidance and take your AI learning journey to a next level.